Here's how to cringe your friends out and make them question why they even know you. First up, say, "What in the skibidi is going on here?" Then there's, "All the huzz want me." For a boyfriend, try, "I love you, Pookie." Or, "Ooh woo, you're my little man snack. I just want to eat you up." If you want to drop a total relationship red flag on your girlfriend, try, "I'm in love with you, my waifu," followed immediately by, "I love how you take less time to get ready than other girls." If you want to test your partner's devotion, try, "If I were a worm, would you date me?" For the cringiest pick-me girl lines, try, "Ugh, I'm such a geek." Or, "Girls are drama. That's why I prefer hanging out with guys." If you want to guarantee you stay single forever, hit them with, "Just call me the Wizard of Oz. Where's my hug?" Or, "What is Diddy Blood doing on the calculator?" Finally, nothing tops the absolute peak of brain rot. "I'm the biggest bird." Try these out and let us know how it goes.